Good morning!
Double
Hindi ako makadi. Good morning! Where's Riley?
At the back. Umiiyak.
You crying, Riley? Why?
Joke lang po. Hello!
We're going to
Baguio!
Baguio Street!
You know how we know?
Meron niya sa Alabang. First time mag-Baguio ng baby ko. Ito na yung totoong Baguio mo. Carmen Regina, Daniel Rex, Gabriel Shigen, Maria Gabriel, Mariana Lucia, Queen. We're here at Pancake House. Nag-stop over muna kami kasi nagugutom yung mga bagets. Ayan, pero nag-breakfast na kami sa bahay. Sila Arya, sila Teros lang hindi. What are you eating? Spaghetti. Ah, Ellie sing. Oh, you sit beside Riley na. Riley, may bag pa talaga, oh. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat, baby. Let's eat, baby. Thank you, Kuya. Okay. Ate, bakit parang bago to? Siguro napapansin. Di ba natin napapansin?
Sa ube,
Ang cute naman ng papi na yan. Asus!
ilang months na po siya?
Cute! So cute! How old are you, baby? Asus, ang cute! Eto, mga takot sa aso, oh. Si Arya kasi may trauma na nakagat yan dati ng aso nung 2 years old siya. Ayan, we're here to check the puppy. Mag-a-adapt sila ng puppy, kaya rin kami nandito sa Baguio ngayon. You want to adopt a doggy also?
No, I like cat.
You like cat? Oh no.
Yeah, cute. Dogs are better. No, it's really saucy. I like yours.
Ellie's also afraid of the doggy, no? Ellie sing?
No, my
Smile! Smile kayo. Smile kayo. 1, 2, smile. Let's eat, guys.
Plain na lang siguro yung mga bata. May plain rice ba?
Plain rice na lang. You want plain rice, Riley? Aha.
Okay. May bagong rice ba? Want to try this?
Asus, ang cute naman itong mga to. Smile, picture. Look here. 1, 2, smile. Asus.
Thank you. Wala dyan sa Google. Wala. Thank you. Yan, ganyan yung kinuha ng AP.
Oo. Parang ito nga yun eh, oh.
Malapit lang tayo sa GP.
Masarap maglakad dito.
Wow.
Yep.
This is our house. Ayan, ito yung binook namin sa Airbnb. Forest Estate Cabin.
Mommy.
Heavy? You can do it.
Go, mommy.
Okay. So nice. Automatic na po. Thank you. This is our living room. Hi! Room tour. I'm here. Okay na po, sir? Okay na po?
Yes, thank you.
Oh,
balcony.
Dapat hindi na nilagyan ng ginawang parang building.
They have their own CR pala din.
Where's the bunk bed?
As parang si Kuya Teros gusto matulog sa single bed. Hey! Yay! This is a room! And forest view.
Okay, no? May sarili ba?
Nice! Oo, ang ganda yun.
Beach quarter talaga ito. Ayun, andyan si Gilid.
Hello.
Malaki yung bed.
Single bed yan eh. Double bed.
Ay, double bed?
Maid's room. This is the maid's room.
I could watch. I'll watch.
Aba, yan. Natalia. Nako, drink lots of water, ha? We're here at Grumpy Joe. We're having dinner. And this baby girl is going to eat pizza. 4 cheese, 5 cheese pizza ata yung tawag dito. Wow! Kaya nakabox kasi dapat iti-take out na lang namin kasi ang tagal pa namin sa pila, pang 10. Pero mabilis lang pala kaya dito na lang din namin kakainin. Yummy! Naubos na agad yung pizza. Ang sarap ng pizza nila dito, guys. Panalo. We have honey garlic, clam chowder, fried chicken, and pasta. Si Natalie tsaka si Riley nagustuhan yung pizza rin nila.
Burger. Kaya pa di ka na burger.
Want burger? Wanna try it? Dami mo lang nakain french fries, Natalie, ha? Natalie. Hey. Kiss ate. Kiss ate Riley. Aww. Kiss ate Riley. Busy kasi siya kumain ng french fries. Kiss ate Riley. Where's Natalie? Natalie. Hi, baby.
I also want ice cream. Mom.
Hi, Natalie. Hi, baby. Where's Dada? There's Dada. Mas maraming nakakatulog. This is our view. Forest view. Kagabi may mga nakikita akong ilaw-ilaw dun. Dun, oh. Wow, nice.
What's like?
Let's hear Mas first.
Mommy, can you ride the horse? Because before.
Yeah, later. Pag hindi umulan, we can ride a horse.
What if no?
Natalie, pinakikialaman yung mga makeup ni Mami. Paano makapag-ayos si Mami niyan, Natalie? Hey! What's that? That's Mommy's makeup. Kailangan ng mabilisang makeup. Eyebrow. Hoy! Aba, alam mo yung lipstick na yan, ha? Mommy's lipstick yan. Okay na to? Okay na to? Natalie? Let's go, Natalie Boong. Give Mommy yan. Give Mommy. Let's go na po. Oh, what's that? Naku, may chipon. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, vlog. Where are we going? We're going to hear Mass. And then we're gonna go horseback riding.
Yo, I've been to horseback riding like one time. I'm gonna go there second time already.
I wasn't crying at all. I was having fun because the lights was cute.
At least you were crying because of the poop.
You wanna try it? Okay. Konti lang ha, baka hindi mo magustuhan. Okay. Like it? Nagkakagulo na. Wala tayong matino na picture.
Hindi kasi yan. Ay, ito. Ayan.
Natalie! Watch ka rin ng Squid Game. Watch ka rin ng Squid Game while eating stick, oh. Smile, Riley! Ayan. Natuloy din ang horseback riding kung kailan pauwi na kami sa Kaumaraw. Wow! Riley! Hold tight ha, hold tight. Daylight number 58 eh. Ay, kay Elise pala yung 58. Wow! Don't be scared. Okay, look here. 1, 2, smile. Hey, say hi, vlog. See you later. Wow, Riley's the leader pala. Oh, number 59. Buti nga, no? Asus. Anak, straight body lang. Bruh. Meron na silang mga ganito, parang souvenir shop. Ay, ang sarap nitong baklava nila dito, guys. Pricey lang, pero super yum yan. Let's eat. Wait for your, Arya? For your food.
Sarap na?
Yummy. Osobuco.
Yummy.
Tanong mo dyan sa kasa magkano yan. Picture na tayo tayo, di ba?
Thank you, ate. Bumili kami kay ate ng gulay. Mura ng chop suey nila, oh. 100 lang set na siya. Hindi na kasya sa van. Amin pa to, ate, di ba? Yeah. Go. Dada. Ito pa, beetroot na lang. Yeah.